Hi everybody, it's Mark Phillips, and on today's episode of Aftermarket Intel, we're going to take a look at two products from the company 70mi. The first is their Dash Cam. The second is the company's brand new Jumpstarter. All right, we are back with the 70mi Dash Cam Lite. Now here's the thing, I have a 70mi dash cam in my vehicle currently. I have used probably 40 to 50 dash cams over the years and tested them. And I have to say that 70mi is among my favorite dash cams. By the way, they did not sponsor this video. They just asked me to take a look at their stuff. I already own some of their stuff, so I'm very familiar with it. I have another model of 70mi that's actually in my vehicle right now and serves as my primary dash cam. These dash cams are great because they have, as you can see, a rotating camera, which helps you sort of get the angle just right. Because depending on the pitch of your windshield or where you place it, you may need to do some minor adjusting of the camera angles, and that makes it nice. There are 4 function buttons on the unit and a nice power button that you can't miss. It also has a microphone on the side for voice commands. There is a micro USB, and there's room for a micro SD card to put in there for storage. Now, the 70mi Dash Cam Lite is a Wi-Fi enabled dash cam. It used to be when you had a dash cam, you'd have to take out the micro SD card or the SD card. You have to put it into a computer if you found an event that happened that was noteworthy. You don't have to do that anymore. With these units with Wi-Fi, you can connect directly to the 70mi app on your Android or iOS phone, your Apple phone, other device, and you can immediately view and download the footage and have it on hand. For example, if you need it for police, if there's damage to your vehicle somehow, you can show what preceded that. And so that's a very handy thing for a vehicle owner to have access to. You get a very nice length of micro USB power cord, which comes with the unit. You can tuck this in all the little places inside your vehicle to make sure that it's well hidden if you care about those things. I happen to care about those things. You get a plug, which is nice to have because you need a place to plug the unit in. And also, you get a nice little mount. And the thing is, I don't know if you're like me, you've used a lot of these dash cams. There are 50 million different types of mounts. And they all break, or they all fall off, or they all do something undesirable. The reason I like 70mi is that they just have an adhesive. You stick it on, and then you slide the unit down in it. That's it. There's nothing else. All of the adjusting of the camera occurs right here. And so you're not fiddling around with a mount to get the camera to go the right way and putting pressure or unneeded pressure on that mount, which is eventually going to break because it's probably plastic. That's why I like these, because you just stick them on and you let the camera do the work. That is the 70mi Dash Cam Lite. We're back with the 70mi Jumpstarter. Now, as I hold this Jumpstarter in my hand, do you notice anything about it? Notice anything? It's nice looking. I'm going to be honest with you. This is the nicest looking Jumpstarter. It's the sleekest Jumpstarter I've ever seen. And it's very well, very well made. The contours are very nice of this unit. And I'll tell you why this is important. I don't just use Jumpstarters to jumpstart a vehicle. Although that's what this primary function of this Jumpstarter is. It has a pull-out little rubber stopper here that reveals where you can put, ta-da, the Jumpstarter. The starting cables that you would plug into your vehicle if the battery were drained. So you stick that side into the unit, voila, you're jump-starting your car. So no more parking a vehicle this way, and hopefully you got it close enough that you can get the cables, and you get the cables on the right places and what have you. You can do that What I like about this unit is it's pretty elegant. It's an elegant looking jump starter. And what I like about jump starters are the sort of multiple duties that they have. They can perform a number of functions. For example, this has a USB-C and a USB. So the great thing about that is you can charge and or use different devices with this battery. Now this is a big battery in that it holds 11,100 milliamp hours. To put that into some perspective, most phone batteries these days have approximately a 2,900 to 3,000, maybe as high as a 3,500 milliamp hour. That's the capacity of the battery. And you know, out of that 3,500 or let's say 3,000 milliamp hours, you're likely getting 15 hours, 16 hours or more before your phone really takes a nosedive in terms of battery. This has 11,100. So not only is it an amazing jump starter for your vehicle, but it's a great source of emergency power. And you could take this on the road with you and use it to power computers, to charge your smartphone, what have you. And that's why I like it, because a lot of the other jump starters, they look like, I don't know, they don't have much style to them. So if you were to carry this around in a nice bag and somebody were to see you place this on a table and plug a computer into it, it wouldn't look that weird because it is a nice looking unit. So that is the 70Mi Jumpstarter. Just got one of these to take a look at and review. In the description down below, I'm going to have some information for a code that you can use to get a discount on both the Jumpstarter as well as the 70Mi Dash Cam Lite.